guys, I'm back with the dip powder mini. So guys, this is the Diva, Triple D's Diva box from May of this year. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this box. I already opened everything off camera just for time purposes, but the first color is Diva Dip number 87, and I did not have time to swatch these either. And so with Diva Dip number 87, it was a nice silver sparkle dip powder. I don't think any of these were a temp changer. Diva Dip number 88, which is a kind of like a mint green, almost like a turquoise kind of green. I'm not good with color descriptors, but you know, whatever works. Diva Dip 89 is a nice glitter teal or mint green. Really pretty. These colors reminded me of the sea. I don't know if this box was because the Little Mermaid was coming out, I don't know. But then we have Diva Dip number 90, which was really pretty. I think those are foil flakes in there, or some type of mylar flakes, but it was pink with all of the colors pretty much to me from the other dips as well. And so the box also came with whipped gel, which is a 3-in-1. I did take the foil packaging off before I filmed this video, so it did have a foil seal on there. I'm going to assume that these are 60-second cure polishes, but look how pretty those colors are. I definitely will be trying those colors. Very pretty. And I have purchased the Diva Triple D's Diva boxes months now, and I haven't done a video in a while. And so this coconut oil, not coconut oil, Lord have mercy, cuticle oil was Beaches, smelled really good. It comes with those long cuticle sticks that I do absolutely love as well, because they're easier to manage. And then the box came with some water slides, and so I thought these were interesting. I thought initially that the water slides went with the colors, but then I was like, no, to me they really didn't go with the colors of the dip powders. And so these are sea themed as well. Want to cut out water slides, and these say decals. So what I couldn't figure out is if they were sticker decals or water decals, because they're kind of outlined in a circle, but I couldn't get them off the paper. So I don't know, I have to figure that out. And of course it comes with a contact card with Triple D's information. So I decided to do a mani with Diva Dip 88 and 90, and then I had Diva Dip 65 from a previous box that I did not do a video with. I have on 2 coats of CN Designer Dips Peel Off Base Coat and allow that to cure, and then I'm going to use Triple D's Delicate Base Dip Liquid. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this application. Now with the dip powder, I'm going to pour over. That's just my method. And then this little dip holder, I got this from SJ3 Designs, along with the hand rest, and I have a single finger rest as well. I tried this little dip reusable dip tray before, and I didn't like it because I spilled dip everywhere. But this go around, I just took my time. I was rushing the last time. I took my time, and so I do like it because you can just brush it out. It brushes out really easy, and you can also wash it in warm soapy water, but of course they're not dishwasher safe because they are 3D printed. And so before you go in with the second color, guys, you want to make sure that you take a nail brush and brush off excess powder. And before I place that brush back into the bottle, off to the side I do have a lint-free paper towel that I'm wiping the brush off on before placing back into the bottle. And so with each nail I am doing 2 coats of color. So I just do 2 coats of this really pretty pale pink that came in a previous Diva box. And I think that previous Diva box, I don't know what month it was, but it came with like a stamping plate and some chrome powder that I haven't used, along with like grays. And so I'm just pouring that back in. It poured in easy. And again, usually when you do your dip application, that powder gets everywhere. And so I'm just brushing that off. And I know y'all probably like, why you brushing that off on that mat? Because you can clean that up with a mini vacuum cleaner. Is your friend. Get you one. Get you one. Cleans right on up. No problems. I love that thing. Usually I do it off camera, but lately I was just like, I'll just film it because that's how I clean up. And so I'm going in with Diva Dip 88, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of that to my nails, and then I'll be back. So with my index finger, it's still wet because again, delicate or low order dip liquids dry slower. So I just dip back in. Now here, y'all, I forgot to hit record. Shame on me. And so I used the other color, which was really pretty. The first layer I did pour over, and with the second coat I did lay my finger flat. And so I'm just using my precision tool or cuticle cleanup tool just to push over any glitter that's hanging on the side wall cuticle area and a free edge of my nail, and making sure that is pressed down really flat. I hate that I forgot to hit record, and I was like, what was you thinking? I wasn't, and it's okay. I just forgot to hit record, sorry. But I did apply that glitter to my middle finger and my thumbnail. And so I'm just pouring that back in as well, and then I'm going to go in and encapsulate the glitter nails in clear. And that little dip holder is flexible, so I just gripped it by both ends to squeeze that excess powder over there. And I'm just going to brush that out off camera, and then I'm going in with clear, Triple D's clear, and along with a pipette to apply the clear, still using my delicate Triple D delicate dip liquids. And so after I apply clear, I'm going to brush off excess, and then I'm going to go in and activate all my nails with Triple D's delicate activator. So after I activate, which is coming up, Again, this is Triple D's activator that is sold in a set with the delicate liquids. I'm applying a generous amount to all 5 nails. I wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will do my filing and buffing off camera. I switched over from my single finger stand to my hand rest from SJ 3D Designs. I actually like those. I use liquid layers and along with these. I do like both of those. Look at me dropping the activator bottle or tipping that over. And so I thought these colors were very pretty together. And so after my filing and buffing, I clean my nails with water, and here's that look. And so I thought, I had these decals from Poshy Nail Designs, and the extras I thought went well with the colors in the Triple D Diva box. So I decided to apply a decal to my ring finger. So I cut that out. I'm going to spray it with water, and then while I wait for the water to release the decal from the paper, I'm going to go in with Makynail Sticky Base Coat. And I do have an affiliate discount code with Makynail. I'll have that in the description box below, along with all products used in this video. And so again, I'm spraying the decal with water, applying Makynail Sticky Base Coat, and giving that maybe 30 to 45 seconds to get tacky, so to dry enough to get tacky so that the decal has something to adhere to. And so again, I have a little USB desk fan that I use to help aid with drying time. And then I'm going to remove excess water with the other end of the paper towel. I'm going in with Poshy Nail Designs nail stamper to apply the decal. I'm going to press that on the nail just to help remove any wrinkles and get that really secured on the nail. And I'm going to go in with a nail brush and acetone to remove excess decal that may be in the cuticle area, sidewalls, and the free edge of my nail. So after I get the decal cleaned up, I'm going to go in with Triple D's, I think it's 2-in-1 delicate gel. It serves as a base coat and a top coat. And so I have these kind of like bubble pearls from Makynail from Etsy. It's a shop on Etsy. And so I'm going in with this gel, and then I'm going to apply these and just randomly on the nail. Y'all know I like to apply extra stuff on my nail. And so since this was kind of a sea themed or ocean themed sub bag, I thought these little pearls went well with the colors in that sub bag. Now tell me that I'm lying, because I will not believe you. But so I'm applying that to the nail, and then I'm going to place the little pearls on the nail, and then I'm going to add some other things as well. Y'all know I like extra on the nails. That's just me. And then I will apply another layer. Well, cure for 60 seconds. I digress. Cure for 60 seconds, and then I will I think I had like some can't even say it, seashells. Put me on the prayer list, because I don't know why I can't get that out. But I end up moving those kind of towards the cuticle area and applying some pink rhinestones. And these kind of sit a little big on the nail, but I liked it. I usually like for stuff to lay flat. And so I'm going in with some pink rhinestones that I got off Amazon and randomly placing those as well. secure that, I do go in with the second layer of that 2-in-1 gel, and then off camera I applied, I believe, starfish. I thought it was seashells, but it was starfish to the other nails off camera, and cured with no problems at all. And so here's that finished look. I thought it was really cute. Apply your favorite cuticle oil. Again, that smells really, really good, beaches. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this sea themed fanny, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. Why not? So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.